I'm Leah.
I'm Michael.
And we're from Tape Art. And today we're going to do some drawing from life. That means drawing the things we see around us. Now, Michael had the great idea that we should come to the woods to try to draw some animals, which has proven a little more difficult than we thought. We did see a raccoon.
I got the tail drawn and then it ran off.
We also saw an eagle.
It circled a lot, but it never landed.
And let's not talk about the squirrels, because they have not stopped for 1 second. Now, I think that the best animal that we could draw is if we were lucky enough to see...
Oh, right there,
What?
right there. That's a deer.
A
Right
deer?
on the hill. Do you
I
see
don't
it?
see it, Michael.
Okay, look. Okay, there's a rock over here. Let's try to draw it. Come with me. Come with me.
Okay, all right.
So, oh, it hasn't moved yet.
What you're seeing.
Gotta squint a little bit, but it's right there. This rock.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. We're drawing this deer.
All right, if you think you can draw it.
Okay, so I'm going to use my picture tape right here. I'm going to draw that deer on this rock from observation. I love the challenge of trying to draw things while looking at them, because if you draw it life size, you can use yourself to make some guesses about how big it is. So looking at this deer, it's a little tiny. So I'm guessing that its butt comes up to about here on me. I put that to the wall and deer butt. Okay. Its neck is slender. It's got a little tiny like this. Now, what I like about the tape is that if I want to make a correction, I can just pick the tape up and move. Well, its ears just went up.
Oh my gosh, do you think it hurt us?
I think it does, and its ears are nuts. Okay, what I'm seeing here are really tall, flamboyant ears. Okay.
Obviously, an animal that's a good listener.
Indeed. Now that may look a little exaggerated, but that is what I am seeing out there. Moving on to its legs. It has these very skinny legs. My goodness. It is a small miracle that that animal can stand. Here we go. It's got tiny knees. So slender. Okay, the back leg has something that's worth pointing out. That back leg, by all accounts, appears to be backwards. What I mean by that is that you would sort of think of an animal moving forward that its legs would go like this and bend in the same direction, but not this back leg. This back leg, when you get to the elbow, takes the liberty of coming back towards the center of the body. So that's a trait that's probably shared by a lot of animals. Zebras, gazelles, cats, dogs, horses. So this is a common mistake we see in drawings, is that the legs will not be bending the right way. All right. Now I just shifted its back leg. So I'm gonna move this way to its new stance. I don't know why it's moving around so much. Stop moving. What? It just ran off.
No. Oh man. Think it went over that hill maybe? Think I might go and take a look for it, see if I can't spot it.
All right, if you're gonna look for it, leave the camera here. I want to
Okay.
show them how to fill this thing
It couldn't
in.
have gotten that far.
Now, if you are gonna fill in a drawing like this, your first instinct might be to take a nice long piece of tape, like so, and fill it in with straight lines. And though this is quick and efficient, it doesn't look as nice. A better way to fill this in would be with an echo fill. To do that, you want to be adding pieces of tape from the interior of the shape going towards the middle. Each piece of tape that you add echoes the outside line. There we go. You have yourself a nice life-size deer in the woods. I'm glad we had a chance to sort of observe something.
Even if I didn't get to observe it.
That's okay. This deer won't stay long either. So, until next time, Thanks for joining us out here in nature.
Yeah, and if you see a deer in your neighborhood, feel free to draw it.
All right, adios.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. The tape we use is made for drawing. You can find it in the link in the description below or at tapeart.com. Please like and subscribe. That way we can share all the videos with you as we make them.